Hi everyone, my name is VikkiToria. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video I created this blue double cut crease. I really didn't know what I was going to do and it just went out of control. So if you guys want to see how I created this makeup look, then please keep watching. So first I'm going in with the Morphe 35B palette. And I'm dipping into this dark blue shade, and as always I've already primed my eyelids with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 05, and I've set that with Yardley translucent powder. So first we're just placing down the outline, and then we are going to softly and slowly blend everything out. So the next shade that I'm dipping into is this blue, again from the Morphe 35B palette, and we're just going to be using that to blend out this line. I'm using a tiny blending brush, and I'm first just placing down the color on top of that line. And then blending it out. Next I'm dipping into the light blue shade, and I'm using a slightly bigger blending brush, and we're just going to be placing that on top of the color that we've just placed down, blending that all out. With a tiny blending brush I'm going in with this black shade over here, and we're just going to deepen up the crease line. Now I'm dipping back into this light blue shade with a big blending brush, and I'm just going to blend out everything. Now for the fun part, it's time to cut the crease. Now I'm just using some Micellar Water to clean up the line. And now I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 05, and I'm cutting the crease.
Now I'm just taking a tiny sponge and blending out the concealer.
And now I'm just going to set that with my translucent powder. Now just to bring back the definition of that line, I'm just going to dip back into that black eyeshadow with an angle brush, and I'm just going to redraw the line. Now I'm dipping back into that black eyeshadow with an angle brush, and we're just going to create another line. So in effect, now you're going to have a negative space in between the cut crease. So now I'm dipping back into the dark blue shade with a flat brush, and we're just going to be packing that on the outside part of the lid. Now we're just going to dip back into the black shade again with the flat brush, and we're just going to add some on top of that blue. Next I'm dipping back into that light blue shade, and we're just going to be packing that on to the rest of the lid.
Now we need to make sure that we are blending the light blue color into the darker blue black shade. So I'm just going back in with a little bit of black and then touching it up with a little bit of blue until everything looks nice and blended.
Guys, and as you can see, there's quite a bit of fallout, and that is usually why I do my eyes before I do the rest of my face. So guys, there's this beautiful yellow shimmery shade in the Morphe 35B palette. And I'm going to be taking that on my finger, and I'm going to be dabbing that on top of the blue that I've just placed down. And I'm not bringing it all the way to the black, I'm just kind of like there where it starts to blend, I'm just softly blending it in as well. Now I'm going in with my Palladio gel liner, and I'm just going to create a line on the lash line and maybe a small wing. Okay guys, so this is how it looks so far. I'm just quickly going to coat my lashes, put on some false lashes, do the rest of my face off camera, and we'll be right back to finish off the rest of the look. Okay guys, so I'm back. So we're starting off underneath the eyes, starting off with that dark blue shade first, and we're placing that as close to the lash line as possible, all the way from the outer corner to the inner corner. Next I'm going in with that light blue shade, and we're just blending everything out. And now for some inner corner highlights, I'm just dabbing into that yellow sparkly shimmer shade. For some highlights on the brow bone, I'm dipping into this white shade in the Morphe 35B palette. And last but not least, we're coating the bottom lashes. Guys, so this is the final look. Let me know in the comments down below if you like this look, and if you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already done so, and remember to click on the bell to be notified when I upload a new video. And until I see you guys next time, keep smiling. Bye.